Hello world, I am Kamesh Nandure and you are watching Kamesh Teach Tech. Without wasting any more time, let's begin. Today's topic is about the bootable pendrive and how to make it. Firstly, you can see my pen drive. The format of pen drive is FAT32, means a normal pen drive. Now, we made it bootable pen drive by formatting it. Firstly, left click on the pen drive and select the format options and then select file system to NTFS means NT file system and start formatting Windows. Windows give warning that your old data between pen drives are erased. Click on OK and now all procedures are done. And when your bootable pen drive is ready to boot your system, you can see NTFS file system mean bootable pen drive are ready to boot your system. Thank you.